Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so any doubts or anything you want to ask or something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
IE texturing, sir.
Texturing, okay. Tell me what you want to know.
That how to bring that wetness, sir,
Wetness on what? Which
on
surface?
the eyeball, and that outside, that other, that
Okay.
lens part.
You just have to make that part shiny with roughness.
That is, but the I saw in some references. I'm making Bulbasaur, so
Okay.
some references, like the eye is really like it has a wet kind of.
How? That's render. That's not your texture. There's nothing to do with texture in that.
And so even if you have to render,
Hmm?
so you have to just reduce roughness on the eye.
Yes, you just have to reduce the roughness. And but for rendering, like I showed that other day that we create two layers of eye, right?
Yes, sir.
So for rendering, we modify those things. That wet thing also we add, plus we add a lens there to modify it. We just add those extra things and then big render it again.
How to do that, sir?
How to do it?
Yeah, I cannot do it on Arnold, sir. You'll have to show it on Marmo, sir.
Marmos, same thing, same thing. Like, let's see if I have some older file. I guess I have. This was somewhere. This was file. Okay. Let me open this. So here you can see the same thing, two sets of geometry. So if I press 6, so I have to export this into my marmoset. So let's export this one.
Also, sir, for exporting for Marmo set, is there any like template on the
No, no, nothing. You can use FBX, OBJ, anything.
not the model, sir, the texture.
Texture for marmoset, no, there's no template. You have to just you export the PVR setting with PVR setting. Export it. There's option is there now, like PVR with alpha, without alpha. Just use that
Yes,
and
sir.
export it. That's it. Desktop. Exported is to I. Marmoset. Let's drag drop here. Sky. Color. So here you can see eye and lens. So for lens, I have to apply a glass material. So select this. There is a default glass is already there, and you can drag drop here directly. So see, create this glass effect. And the base, I need to modify material. You can use this one is my eye. So I need the texture for eye. is my I. Ah, so drag comes to I. Right now, this like this class button have to modify, obviously. Select this. Let's see. So index of refraction I can increase, decrease. Change, and you can like this. You can create the eye easily. It's just two set of mesh basically, and two different materials. One is glass, one is a normal default texture. And this eye thing, if I want, I can make it like really matte. Doesn't matter. Only this thing will be visible, this part. So it will give you nice reflection. And change the sky, something bit better than this.
Sir,
Yes.
for Arnold, when we're putting materials, do we have to use a node editor and do it, or like how we did for environment, just the file?
Same only. Only Arnold, you have to create a material for that. And you have to
Yes,
assign
sir.
it.
After that, after like, no, because sometimes the roughness and all doesn't come out well when I'm doing in Arnold.
Okay.
Even after I change the space to normal, I think some problem with my hardware.
No, like you're changing that to like alpha as luminance.
Oh, I have to do that also.
Yes. Without that, it will any grayscale map, you have to change that to alpha into alpha as luminance. Otherwise, it won't work.
Okay, sir.
So no matter what you do, it will be matte only.
It won't change, so you'll have to go to the third option and change it. Presets.
I already have like a couple of this thing. I'll just use one of them. Like create this thing. Make it glossy. This is it. Like I is pretty simple. So it depends like what you want to create and what you're generating, and like uh, is two materials, glass and your base material. That this can be a subsurface. This I can have subsurface transmission. You can change it to subsurface scattering. So that doesn't matter.
Yeah, and I wanted to ask, can we use subsurface scattering for this cartoon model?
Yes, of course. You can use. There's no problem with that. And create this thing.
Because I didn't make scatter map, thinking that.
Scatter subsurface scatter. You don't have to make it. You can just simply
The
connect that
thickness map.
thickness map. Yes, exactly. That thickness map you can use as a scatter. But that is basically where depth of your skin, and you have to invert the map because white is visible, black is not visible. So thickness map is basically inverted version of your subsurface. So you can invert it and use it.
Okay.
Okay. So what else? Tell me.
That's it, sir. I just wanted to know about this eye. Because I have to just now render it to put everything in.
Chat. Yes, send me your file.
I already sent my file, sir.
Send me.
Yes, sir.
One second. Let me see. Where?
Mail, sir. Ritik CP.
Oh, that pig model, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pokemon. Is it a Pokemon or something?
Not Pokemon, sir. I did big as a Pokemon.
Okay. So you have a reference for this.
No, sir. I did my own.
So how, then what I'll see in this, because I don't have I don't know like what is it's in your brain, right? It's your vision. So
I have just drawn in 2D, sir. Then I did it in 3D.
like that is that's what na. So I don't know like what you are imagining and what is your idea behind it. So I really can't say any suggest anything because it can like it's maybe in your head you saw it like this. So how can I say it's wrong or right? Like ZBrush model looks pretty clean and all. Mouth is not there. There's like basic things. Mouth is missing. Ears and all looks fine. Like BMB, I don't know. Like if I do it, so maybe I will make this part slightly down and push it slightly inside. And that eyelid thing is missing. So maybe we'll add a little bit of mouth this thing. And then smooth it out. I don't know, like this is like usually mouth should be there. Your eyes and eyelid should be there. Like eyelid, this thickness slightly. But that's why like I asked like a reference, like send me a reference because I don't have reference. So without reference, working on anything is very difficult. And in industry, 99% time you'll have a reference. You cannot do modify things according to whatever you feel like. You cannot do it. That's a concept artist job.
Okay.
So if you have a reference, follow that reference. That would be like really easy and nice and correct process to work on it.
Okay.
Hands slightly broad. Like if you want to create a pig, that movie, I guess you have seen that Babe. There's a movie, Babe. It's a
No.
piglet story of a piglet.
Okay.
So you can like it's a like motion capture movie only. So it's like you can check that. So they have
Yes.
a lot of those things. Slightly broader. Yeah. And pigs are usually little fat or chubby, so maybe slightly belly. maybe we push it slightly inside. Hmm. Like a spine.
Sir, how to make the tails like spring type?
Spring
Spring
type,
shaped.
the round spring. So you for that you have to append another thing, and you have the spiral. Then have this one, right? So no, I cannot modify it here. So either I can uh, go here, right click, spiral. This is pigtail, right? So I'll go to initialize and trace all these things are there. Let's see. Fine. Something like this, right? This is what we're talking about.
Sir.
So once you create this, make it polymesh 3D, then go back to your, there is a model.
So next one. Sir.
Oh, this one, yes. I thought it says fair. And append, and this thing is here. You see, so for this I have to place it properly. Say correct location. Then and this tail I need to remove this now. So I can use a clip tool, control shift, and okay. Got it. It's gone. Or control control shift, go to select tool, control shift all together, mask it. It's hidden now. And you can go to subtool, geometry, modify topology, delete hidden, subdivision, delete, delete hidden, done. And these two now you have to combine. So for that you have to close all the holes, close hole, and my body. So this one move up and just merge these two, merge down, and then isolate and use Dynamesh to combine. Dynamesh the model, everything is combined. BCB, Like right now, you can see placement is wrong. It should like come somewhere here. So that placement, like will check everything and then dynamic will fix it. And then connect it and smooth the model. Add this thing, pigtail easily. Active set image. Okay, this is also Pokemon. Or this is Maya render, I believe.
Yeah, this is Maya, sir. I
Maya.
just put flat colors just to block the whole scene. How does it look, sir?
Okay, then it looks fine. Like it's fine, but if you want to render it out, so
This will not render in Arnold, sir. Yesterday I tried and it crashed.
okay, crash. So you can do it in
I'll do it in Marmo, sir.
Marmo.
But I had to like block the whole thing, so that I didn't work.
So like your character is not visible, so you can change the angle of the character. Maybe that will look nice.
Okay, sir.
The character, like it's basically character looks like you can see. Like if you make it a black and white, like say full black and white, you can see the silhouette. You cannot really understand the shape of the character.
Okay.
So whenever we render the character, we check for the silhouette. That 7 option is there in Maya. If you press 7, it shows you only silhouette. Like you have silhouette here also. So
Okay,
check
sir.
for the silhouette. Your character should be visible, and you should be able to understand. Right? If you make this entire thing black, you won't be able to see like what is happening there. So maybe
Yes.
try to change the angle of the character.
Okay, sir.
That will work. And I guess the clinical file. We send the file. My file. Okay, it's Maya 22. I cannot open. I don't have. I have Maya 2020 license only. I don't have Maya 22 license. So, it opened. Still, it opened. Wow, amazing.
यस सर
क्या
वो
क्या
बस पता नहीं कुछ इशू दिखाता है मगर वो ओपन हो जाता है सर वो टोपोलॉजी देख लो थोड़ा
हाँ,
वो लेक के पास वाला वो कंफ्यूज हो रहा है बहुत
ओके ये नहीं करते हम लोग लाइक इट शुड बी रिंग लाइक राउंड सर्कुलर रिंग ऑलवेज अभी यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड देयर सो दिस इज नॉट अ रिंग एनीमोर दिस लूप गोes this side, this loop is going this side. It's a crisscross. If I double click this, suppose if I click this one, it will create a perfect loop, right?
यस
This,
सर
if I click this one, see, it's going this direction, it's going this direction. It's always, it should be a circular loop.
सर वहां पे थोड़ा तो बल्ज है तो फिर वो कैसे हम अचीव करें
Okay, वो भी कर लेंगे. See. So like this, ये हमारा mode, right? Or draw. To switch on the symmetry also. Symmetry. What? So for this is to hold the thigh, this joint. Okay, this is nothing to do with the belly.
This one.
Now, Abhi, I need to create this belly. So for belly, what I can do is इधर पूरा कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा. Like first block out those rings and then try to connect. Then it will make your life way easier. So पहले वो like mark all those rings, then chest all these things. It should be again a perfect ring tube kind of thing. What is this? What happened here?
तो वही तो वो वहाँ पे एक बल्ज है,
Okay. अच्छा वो
इसलिए वो,
पेट पेट के लिए.
हाँ
Okay.
सर, इसीलिए मैंने वहाँ पे वो कंफ्यूज होके वो वाला पार्ट बनाया था.
नहीं वो लाइन ठीक है, लाइन लाइन. अब मैं इस लाइन को आई कैन कंटिन्यू.
ओके.
Like I need this loop is required. After this, you can continue. तो अभी तो इसको ऐसे उठा के कंटिन्यू कर देंगे. यहाँ पे I can see एक triangle बन रहा है. So to get rid of this thing, I can just add here. Center में make sure there is no triangle, nothing. It should be a straight line throughout the model. पूरा clean. don't worry. B. So B, press B, so follow with this quickly. Okay. And after baking, it will hold the shape. And if you want to like make it this thing a little prominent, so what I can do is max to max, I can add one more loop here just to hold this thing, or inside here just to separate the thighs from the belly. तो इससे ये सेपरेट हो जाएगा. इसको थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स कर देंगे, थोड़ा ये लाइन पास पास रहेगा. ये will be something like it will hold the shape. belly बन जाएगा. It's a very low poly. आराम से इसको बना सकते हैं ऐसे करके.
और सर इसमें मतलब कोई कहीं कहीं जगह पे वो जैसे क्या हेयर है मतलब क्या बॉडी का जो
हाँ,
वो किस में है?
वो पिंच और ट्रायंगुलर वो पॉइंट स्पाइक निकलेगा. तो वो जैसे मैंने अपने रेंडियर में बनाया है, सेम वही प्रोसेस है इसका भी. सपोज के कहीं पे यहाँ पे होगा, सपोज के इस एरिया में है, सो आई विल एक्सट्रूड दिस. क्लीन कर देंगे इसको. वाइट
सर इससे तो मतलब बहुत बड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा ना.
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ अगर कितना बड़ा है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. अगर छोटा सा है तो उसको हम छोटा भी कर सकते हैं. इसको भी कर सकते हैं, है ना. छोटा भी कर सकते हैं, उसको तो कोई इशू नहीं है ना, जितना जितना चाहिए. और अगर लाइक इट्स अगर जस्ट बॉडी के साथ साथ में चिपका हुआ है, देन वो नॉर्मल में बेक हो जाएगा. तो उसके लिए मैश बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर वो जैसे मेरे वाले उसमें रेंडियर में आई हैव दैट स्पाइक्स, राइट. सो जैसे ये स्पाइक्स है, तो मैंने ये स्पाइक्स पॉइंटी पॉइंटी बना दिया है. तो मेश को वैसा बना दो, या फिर अगर वो जैसे यहाँ पे सरफेस ऑलमोस्ट एक जैसा है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं रखा है, साइड में रखा है मैंने सब, जहाँ जहाँ पे सिल्वेट ब्रेक हो रहा है, जहाँ जहाँ पे इट्स विजिबल, तो उस पार्ट पे मैंने रखा है. जहाँ पे नहीं है वहाँ पे नहीं रखा मैंने. तो वही जैसे इवन लेग में भी देखो, वहाँ पे मैंने थोड़े 2 पॉइंट से 2 पॉइंट निकाल दिए. तो वही है, 2 पॉइंट
He is
थोड़े
not
निकाल
there,
दिए.
sir.
इज नॉट देयर. ओहो,
He left, I think.
oh he's joining back. I guess he got disconnected or something. हाँ, सो लाइक पॉइंटी जैसे जैसे पॉइंट्स बनाए हैं, सो सिमिलरली ऐसे ही पॉइंट थोड़े पॉइंट्स बना दोगे. कैन मेक इट स्मॉल, मेक इट बिगर, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड just if you want to hold it, you can create it like this also, to hold the shape, make it a little stronger. That's also fine. Then in that case, I have to get rid of this triangle. So otherwise triangle will create shading. Press this quad and reset. Simple, nothing fancy. Well, it's like if the hair, all the spikes are really small, bake it. You don't need to create any mesh, just bake it simply.
ओके सर.
Okay. और क्या है?
Sir, I sent my this biped character on your mail.
Where?
I have mail, sir.
Okay, just give me a second.
The likeness is a little off. I am not able to judge what's wrong. Can you tell me?
This was the reference. Close up. This one looks much better than the reference. The reference is really bad. I don't know like why you chose that. The reference is very bad. Okay, so lips. This lips you have to fix so. Control Shift. Select this much, half of it, and then press Control Shift X, I think. X to increase the your mask. Control Shift and X.
Okay, sir.
So upper lips is completely gone, right? So now you
Yeah.
can easily modify this thing because I can see there's a this thing unnecessarily pulled inside.
Or I think this is a base mesh, right? So it will be polygrouped.
Okay. Oh, you have polygroup. Okay, I didn't check that. So then that also you can use. Transition, make it soft. Yes. Let's see if we have a side reference. No, it's almost flat only.
Sir, in the model it is like that.
No. It's like that. That's what I'm saying. This reference more nose is flat, completely flat. It's fine. And but why you chose this reference? It
I
looks
asked
like-
you, sir. You said it looks
yeah,
like
it looks fine. Like no, what I'm saying here is like I'm appreciating this thing. Your model looks better than this. This looks very bad. So this looks better than that. So okay, that's nice. It's a nice thing.
And that zip, sir, it is overlapping with it. So I tried a lot of ways to stop, like to not have that.
Okay, so this zip, what you use for
I
this?
use the tool, sir. That brush is there, right?
Brush is there. So most probably your symmetry is on.
Yeah, I did it with symmetry. Otherwise, how will I get both the sides? Sir?
No, zip will have both the sides in model. Okay, see, there's
You can separate it, sir, because it's a different poly group.
no, you can see this here, right? So I don't need, you can see it's both the sides, both the
Oh,
things are
close.
there. So if I draw it, so okay, I don't have, I cannot draw it on this directly. Okay, delete this thing. So I draw it, see? So that's why, because you use symmetry, that's why it become overlap, double. You
Yeah.
have to remove this and use only one side
Okay, sir.
without symmetry. So it will work beautifully without any problem. So you can check this thing, the model. You can see this, and this is one. This is one side. This is one side. This is again complete.
Okay. I thought that was only the zip.
No, it's zip. This entire thing.
Okay.
You can create wherever you want. You can create this thing. Only one side.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so only thing, character looks little bulky. So only thing for this BMV.
I think this I made him a little bulky.
Okay. No, like as per
Like
reference.
inside. I'll have to fix it from inside, so from the base machine.
So that can be fixed. Little thin. Side also looks fine. Anything is not visible, not required. And legs, I don't know. It looks like legs are a little smaller, or maybe the this zipper is slightly bigger, like lengthwise.
Probably.
Now, as you can see, proportionately, the this length and this length is almost same. So here, this upper body is long and lower body is short. So it looks a little odd. So that is something you can fix. That is something can be fixed very easily. They can just simply deleted subdivision. You can go back to subdivision. Let's undo this. Subdivision. One. Select. Smooth it. Invert it. Or maybe can increase this thing slightly. Lasso. Invert. Make it slightly short. Soft it nicely so that there is no stretch or like a sudden crack or something on your body.
Okay.
You can do it. Then go back to your trousers. Next division. This entire thing will go. This crouch area. Invert. Soft it nicely. Just increase the length slightly, so it will like fix the proportion.
Okay.
Otherwise, overall looks pretty nice. Like I wasn't expecting this, but it looks pretty nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all these things will
Yeah, that I'll have to merge it.
merge it and then move it. So for that, don't merge it and don't do that. How you can do it at once? Let me reopen the file. So do not merge and do it. There is another technique like without merging also. Yes, you have to merge, but without losing all subdivision and everything, you can do it. So skyline this one.
No, that one I'll have to add some more details.
That is fine. Like suppose now I want to modify this, push the pant up and this shirt up, right? So
Yes.
what I'll do instead of like doing it manually one by one, I'll
Transpose
do
master.
transpose master. Yes, T-pose master. It will convert, merge everything, and then move it, and then subtool, T-pose subtool, and it will get back to this thing. It will make your life way easier. Shift F, you can see all the polygroups. Hide, 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 select, unhide. So like you see, I can hide these thing, and then if I want to modify something, invert, I can make it a one polygroup. Okay. Mask this section, merge it, invert it, merge it. For that, hide this one, hide, hide, hide. Move it, unhide. And like this, you can modify this thing and then go back to again, keep this. So it will retain all the subtool, all your subdivision level, everything.
Yes.
Okay. And like you don't have to create all these things manually. You don't have to move them manually. Once you're done with this, you can move it like this. Really easy process. Just reduce the thickness slightly, increase the length. Is just make sure the proportion is correct. Overall looks pretty nice. Okay, let's see.
Just the pant, that is the only mistake.
That's the only thing like I can see clearly that's visible, like proportion wise. And the zip, obviously, switch on the symmetry, it will work. And hands, let's see. Okay, for hands, you try to sculpt the nails. Do not do that. Extract it. Keep nails separate.
Okay, sir.
That will help you, and it will become very easy for you. And baking also will come very clean, neat and clean baking. And if you want, we can make a ID map for that and create a selection super easily.
Yeah.
So that will like
Finger, I can still start.
okay. So those nails I can see it's visible.
Yeah, only the nail. I just put landmarks everywhere. I have to make it a little
That's it.
refined.
Extract and separate this thing. Let's see. What I did. Okay, boots also is still remaining. You just block
Yeah,
it out.
I have to sculpt the folds. I started this and then I started making the animal. So,
Slide inside. So one more thing, distance between your neck and body.
yes, sir.
So to push it down slightly. So put this one. Slightly. So that neck distance slightly can increase. Okay. Otherwise, looks pretty nice, neat and clean. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, then I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.